How to install TikTok after ban 2025. Now, if there is some reason that your TikTok was not installed on your phone and it just got banned in the United States and you want it back in your phone, then don't worry, I am here for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can get your TikTok back in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you are in the United States and TikTok is banned, then clearly your Google Play stores and app stores are not going to be providing TikTok for you. So if you go over to the App Store, you can come up over here and you can simply go ahead and write TikTok, and it's either not going to show it for you or it's just going to tell you that it's not available. And as you can see, it's not showing it for me. So how do you change that? So to change that, what you're going to be doing is you're first of all going to go over to your settings, okay? And once you go over to your account settings, what you're simply going to do over here is go over to your main account. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to be loading up your main TikTok account over here. So let's just wait for it to fully load in. Now, it's going to ask you to go through with your Touch ID. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing. And once you've done that, it's going to bring you here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to country and region. And once you come over to country and region, what you're going to do over here is click on change country or region. And from here, if your country and region is selected to United States, just switch it over to United Kingdom or Canada or Australia, something like that. And once you switch your country places, what happens from there is TikTok is going to start showing in your app store, and you can go ahead and reinstall it for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So that is basically how you're going to be installing TikTok back onto your phones and start using it after the ban. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.